Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and I have two very special guests. Come on, guys. Why y'all come out like that? Nah, y'all gotta come out better than that. Nope. Let's see who we working with. All right. Hey guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, gross. I need you to be a little more energetic than that.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
It's me, my little cousin.
Yes.
And my big cousin.
Hi guys. Today is my big cousin. And it's Mia. And she's taller. Like Cherise. That she's taller. And I'm taller.
You're not taller than me. See, this is how tall I am from her.
I need you to be like that height.
Hi.
Hi.
Is that better?
Is that better?
Oh, okay. No, but it's okay. Say hi to my baby cousin Mia and my niece Sophia. All right guys, so they have looked through some pictures on Instagram. They picked out which look they want me to do, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. This is what we're going for today. Now if I come out looking stupid,
Don't say that.
I'm sorry. If I come out looking less than great, I'm gonna be very upset. I'm gonna put my contacts in and then we are gonna get this show started.
It's a challenge. It's a challenge.
What challenge? This is not a challenge. Y'all need to know how to do this because you picked it, so I assume that you know how to do it.
Probably. Okay.
So what's the first step?
We have to put foundation.
Y'all don't want to moisturize my face first? It's a little dry.
Yeah. Put some
Spray it on you.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Okay.
Sprayed a lot.
Sorry.
It's gonna hurt her eye.
Spray it at a distance.
Sorry.
Is your hands clean?
I
Shayla.
forgot to wash them.
I'll be right back.
Did you wash your hands?
Oh, I forgot to wash them.
Wow, okay. So nobody's washing their hands, but they want to give me a beat face.
Okay, so you want to start over?
Yeah, don't spray so close to my face though. Okay. Wow, can you wait till I close my eyes at least? Jesus.
On your hair?
No, on my
your
face.
face?
Yeah, like right here, like right here. We can't press it.
Let me do it.
No, thank you.
Do it like this.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Get my forehead.
That's way too close.
I'm getting nothing. Okay, that's enough.
So
That's enough. Okay, you can just fan it. Just fan it.
So now you have to put on her foundation.
can I help with it?
You're gonna want to put it on the back of your hand. I'm not supposed to be helping y'all. Y'all supposed to know this.
Can I
I know
put
what
my
makeup.
hand? What about my hand too?
Hmm?
What about my
So
hand?
I'm
Okay, let's
just
put a little on Sophie's hand.
you're supposed to do it like this. Can I show you?
No, thank you.
You can also put it on like my actual face.
You can?
Mhm.
I didn't do that.
Okay. Why are you spreading it out?
You're
You're wiping it off. What are you doing? Just an FYI, y'all didn't get nothing on my chin, none of this side of the face on my face.
Okay, we're done with that.
Okay.
How about Mia does this side of my face and Sophie does this side?
We're just gonna be doing yellow instead. We're gonna do yellow. It kind of looks like a gold, but we're gonna do yellow.
We're gonna do yellow.
Sophia, I legit just said that. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of gold right in here for the creases. So let's just.
Let me see what you do. Move. Oh God. I'm just gonna get up close.
We're just gonna be adding a little bit of orange, which
A
is
little bit.
you see it right here.
Yeah. Beautiful. Wait. Sorry.
What?
Hmm?
Here, is it Sophia's side?
you know what? Y'all just freestyle it. It don't have to be the exact same thing.
True.
Just as long as it's, you know.
Kind of like the same thing.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we're gonna be
me.
using some pink or light
I
pink.
love pink.
Right here. Light
I
pink.
love pink.
It
Because
kind
I
of looks
think-
kind of white
No,
for the camera.
Hey, Mia. Pink is my favorite color.
It's good.
Wow. Did somebody fart?
Excuse me.
Wow, you wasn't even gonna warn nobody? Wow.
Farted.
That's crazy. Wow, your fart stinks.
Excuse me.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I love.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I'm gonna add just a little bit of some
bit?
white.
White.
What? Wait, try again.
Mia, I got to hurry up.
Can I please take my time for once?
Do you have to use the bathroom?
No. So I'm gonna use some of this color right here,
Hey, I need to see. You need to move.
and then
You need to move.
Sophia.
we're gonna be using this. We're gonna be
You
using a hot.
need to move.
We're gonna be using a hot.
Hey, you need to move, Mia.
We're gonna be using
Mia.
a hot.
Sophia.
I'm gonna add a little bit of white.
No,
to
that's I already picked that.
I'm
You're
gonna
changing
get
the
a
colors.
little bit of white right here.
But you changing the
So
colors.
it will be kind of like a little bit of
Mia.
hot. So it'll be a little bit hot pink. But it's not really that hot anymore because we added a little bit. I did a little bit of some little decoration by your eye.
Mm-hmm.
Like it?
Uh-huh. Oh. Well, hard. She wasn't playing. She wanted to do a rainbow.
I'm doing the rainbow.
I see.
I made a rainbow.
You did make a rainbow. Good
So I'm
job.
gonna be putting some mascara on her.
And Mia made.
You know how to put on mascara? Do not poke me in the eye. What is that? That's for your lips. That's for your lips. You got done with the face already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Let me open it for you.
Sophia.
Hold on, Sophia.
Sophie.
I'm not her friend.
Okay.
Don't lean on the thing,
I got so
so.
much friends in the world.
Oh.
I'm gonna. This is your lipstick.
What is this on the side of my face? Who did this?
Sophia?
What is that?
Sophia.
Sophie, I need you to fix this. No, you need to fix it. What is this? What is that? This is your side. Your side of the face, okay? Don't use that to what? Here you go. Go ahead and start beating that, blend that out. No, don't white. Pat, remember?
I made a rainbow. Mia.
I see.
I made a rainbow.
I know. Can you please wait patiently, Sophia? Cause you think you're the boss of this place.
And you're not the boss, because I'm the boss.
Oh, I'm the boss.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
You don't even know how to spell boss. Spell it. Oh, okay. Thought
E
so. Ooh,
O
that's wrong.
G.
Wrong.
Boss.
No.
We're gonna be using this color now.
Mia, why you always blocking me? Why you always don't want to share? It's not fair.
Okay, so now.
Why you always don't want to share?
So now what we're gonna be. Her lips are kind of like a sphere shape, like these.
Us. My lips are a spear shape. What spear? What spear looks like this? I'm confused.
I don't know. Where's your eyeliner? So.
What are you doing? Wait. What is this?
It's a little root.
A what?
A root.
A root?
Yeah.
It's a root.
What is a root?
It's
What
a
is that?
root.
I'm trying to decorate your face.
Decorate with what?
The
It's-
eyeliner.
It's
Why?
a root.
I don't know.
That is not the look that we decided on.
Yes.
You got a whole eggplant on the side of my face. I'm gonna need you to not color in whatever that is you're trying to color in. If that's what you plan on doing, I'm gonna need you to do something else. Okay? I'm gonna need you to do something else.
I can
All right.
do something else.
Remember the look? Did she have any of this on the side of her face? Where is that?
I don't
What
know.
part of her face is that on?
I don't know.
Red.
Oh, you're supposed to do it like this.
I don't know how I feel. Wow, why are you all the way under my eye? What are you outlining?
I'm trying to do it under your eyebrow.
Why?
You look beautiful.
What?
Sorry.
Are you happy?
No,
You mad?
I'm upset.
All
Yes.
we need to do is just fix up this part and this part and this part. Now I'm gonna blend this in.
Blend what in? The black?
Yeah.
You're gonna blend the black in. How do you blend black in?
My mom's gonna come home. So, piece of paper.
Are you trying to wipe it off?
Yeah.
All right, blend in and wipe it off. Use a paper towel to wipe it off.
Okay, how are we gonna fix this? Is I am gonna take a piece of paper towel.
Piece of paper.
What?
Just use a piece of paper. Why you wiping off? You don't like it?
There's
You don't like it?
no.
Hey, Shannon, you don't like it? Shannon, you don't like it? You don't like it?
Oh man, I need somebody to answer. Or maybe not.
She doesn't look cute. She looks beautiful.
She looks
Wow, that is hard.
Keep saying I'm not your friend whenever I don't do something that she wants.
Then, cause I'm not her friend. I'm her cousin.
You're gonna be my cousin for life.
No, you're not. No.
Now, since you just wiped off half my face, you don't have to put you don't have to put some more foundation on. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know. Okay, here you go. You're done.
I'm all done.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look beautiful, Shannon.
Let us zoom
Turn this
In.
around.
on this
Turn
face.
this around. Turn this around. Turn this. Turn it around. Yeah.
Now I'm just trying to figure out if
Me, I miss you. Oh.
looks like this.
I think we should probably get better at doing makeup.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
think you guys said you were gonna have me snatched, and now I look like I'm about to snatch somebody's kids.
It was the best we could do, guys.
Yeah.
So
That's the best y'all can do.
it looks
Yeah.
like we didn't really accomplish.
I look homeless.
Homeless.
All right. Do you guys like the, nude? What would you call this, Mia? What's that? What would you call your side?
Kind of like neon sparkly.
Neon sparkly. Where?
Like this is like zoom in.
Where's the neon?
The neon is like I swear I put green in there, like right here.
Oh, really?
I swear. I
Okay.
put- So well, I can call it like the golden, purple, and whatever. I don't know.
Okay. Sophie, what do you call your side? What is it?
Rainbow sparkly.
Rainbow sparkly. Okay. Cute. Where's the sparkles?
You need to add some sparkles in there.
I think we're good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, letting a 9-year-old and a 4-year-old play on your face. Wow. I really had, higher expectations for this. Mia came out strong, confident. Sophie, we already knew what was going to happen with that. I was going to say, all right, guys, this is the end of this video, but they didn't even put highlight on. How they do the whole face? They didn't do no contour, no highlight, no, I don't even remember what that's called. Concealer. They didn't let me bake. They didn't do any of that. They just got me out here looking crazy, talking about you look beautiful. Thank you guys so
Bye.
much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Dab
Watching
on 'em.
my channel.
Dab on 'em,
Bye-bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you
Make
subscribe.
sure you
Make sure you
subscribe.
subscribe.
Subscribe. They telling you to subscribe, so make sure you
Subscribe.
And press the bell, the little bell under.
Yes, and tap the little bell so you get notified when I post new videos.
Tap the little bell.
Tell them so.
I hope you guys
can
like this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Subscribe.